In this video, I'm going to show you how to get PayPal link to receive money on your PC. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so what I'm going to do is go back to the start of PayPal. So we need to go to paypal.com and sign into your account. Once you are there, we want to click onto where it says request money. And now, because I've already done this in the past, on the right hand side it says more ways to request money. So it says create invoice, and if you haven't created a paypal.me link in the past, it will say create a personal profile under here. At the moment it says share your personal profile on my screen, so yeah, click on create a personal profile. Then from here you want to go ahead and choose a username, and you can also choose a photo as well in that process. And now once you're creating your link, if your name's not available, just keep creating a new one. So I didn't get my desired username here, so I just put in another name. So my PayPal link is going to be here. So there's my username, so it's going to be PayPal. So now this is my name, so PayPal me Luke27. Now if people, I can send this link to people to receive money from them. So I just send this link out, and they can send me money by what they'll do. They'll get this link, and then they'll click on send. And then it will say here the amount and what currency, and then also a description, and then click next.